Stari.
Hello, beautiful one. It is Stari, and I am so glad you are here with me tonight. Tonight, we are going to do something really brave together, and I want you to know before we begin that being here right now, just being here, is already brave. Sometimes the dark can feel very big and very quiet in a way that makes your heart beat a little faster, and your tummy feel a little tight, and your mind start to fill up with all sorts of wondering. If you have ever felt that way, I want you to know something very important. There is nothing wrong with you. Some of the bravest, most wonderful people in the whole world feel that way too. Settle in somewhere cozy and warm. Let your body sink into your bed or your cushion and feel the softness all around you, holding you up completely and safely. Let your eyes close gently and just notice the darkness behind your eyelids for a moment. It is just quiet, just still, just resting. Take one slow breath in through your nose, filling up your tummy completely, and breathe out through your mouth very slowly. Now, I want to tell you a secret about the dark that most people never discover. Are you ready? The dark is not empty. The dark is full of something so warm and so beautiful that once you see it, you will never be afraid of the dark again. The dark is full of golden light, hiding quietly, waiting to be found by someone brave enough to look for it. And tonight, you and I are going to find it together. Imagine you are floating very gently in a soft, warm darkness, like floating in the calmest, most comfortable swimming pool you have ever been in, except instead of water, it is made of the warmest, softest darkness imaginable. And as your eyes adjust, you start to notice something. Far above you, one tiny golden star appears, just one, glowing very softly and warmly, like a small warm candle in the sky. And then another one appears right beside it, and another, until slowly, one by one, the whole darkness above you is filled with hundreds of tiny, warm golden lights, each one glowing softly just for you. The darkness did not disappear, but now you can see what was hiding inside it all along. All that warm golden light that was there the whole time, just waiting for you to notice it. Take a slow breath in, and as you breathe in, imagine breathing in some of that warm golden starlight. Feel it filling your chest with warmth and quiet courage. And breathe out slowly and feel that golden warmth spreading from your chest all the way through your whole body, making you feel warm and full and completely safe. Now, here is something I want you to know about yourself. Somewhere inside you, there is a light that is just like one of those golden stars. It has always been there. It glows even in the darkest moments, and it never goes out. That is your own brave light, and it is with you every single night, no matter how dark things seem. Whenever the dark feels too big or too quiet tonight, just take one slow breath in and remember the golden stars, and remember that you carry your own golden light with you always. The night is not something to be scared of. The night is where the stars live, and now you are one of them. You are safe, you are warm, you are brave, and you are never alone in the dark, because the stars are always there, and so am I. Sleep now, beautiful one. The golden night is all around you, and it is completely safe. Good night. It's Stari, always here when you need me.